Here we are, Corvette World. I'm excited. They are not open yet. They'll be open in about 30 minutes. It's a little bit of a drive, so I'm kind of early, but that's okay. I don't mind. Anyway, getting the new Corvette CORSA exhaust today. So I come in here to get exhaust. I end up walking away with a lot of other stuff. As you can see, this place has a lot of extra merchandise for sale. So it makes it tough to come in here and just buy one thing. So, getting a replica of my car, a hat, a couple shirts. I'm gonna be lucky if I don't spend more money while I'm here. So right now we have got the rear diffuser off, and we have everything completely pulled off of the old muffler system, and we are now in the stage of getting ready to install the new muffler system. So I am very excited about that.
We've got the lead pipes and the caps back in. We're just getting ready to bolt them up, tighten it up, and then we're going to start installing the mufflers and the tailpipes, and then put the rear fascia back on.
I called it the rear diffuser. It's actually the rear fascia. Is it? But don't they also call that a diffuser? No, not at all.
It's a rear fascia.
Okay. See, you learn as you go. So there's one more thing that we found while my car was up on the rack is the front. This part is called a watch, and what happened is probably in the process of pulling into my driveway, this has torn off, and what this does is actually helps the airflow to cut through here between this piece and this piece right here. It helps control that airflow through here. And I assume that cools the brakes as well?
Yeah, that's exactly what it does.
Yeah, so it helps cool the brakes when that air travels through here. And since this is going to continue to flap, we're going to go ahead and get that replaced today. But that's what that does. And that I think is just, besides the fact that it's going to affect the suspension, if I lower my car, I know I was thinking about doing that. But in addition to lowering the car, affecting the suspension, it's also going to make it even harder to get in and out of my driveway without damaging this piece and having to replace it, on a monthly basis. So I think we're going to go ahead and just leave that. We're going to replace this today and leave the car at the same elevation it is right now and not lower it at all. So we just finished up with the air diverter. So what it does is diverts air in between this piece and this piece to funnel it in through the brakes, and cool it down. So we're basically done. We're about to pull it down and get on out of here.
See, your spots are clean.
Oh, good job. Thank you, man. That was dirty right there. Look at that. Brand new CORSA XTREME setup. Look at these gigantic tips.
I'm going to go ahead and lower it down.
Okay.
Here, let me...
Gotta get out of the way. It's funny in this light, I can really see, a lot of times I don't notice the color difference in the gray and the black, but in that light, the way it was set up, I could really see that difference.
LED lighting.
Oh yeah, that's it, nice. I need to get that in my garage.
Start this car. Sorry. Thank you, sir.
Looks good.
Beautiful car.
Very excited. Dude, this looks huge. So we're going to do a quick before and after. Tonight will be the before, tomorrow will be the after. This is the current C7 exhaust with a cold startup. So these are the new CORSA tips. It's the new CORSA XTREME exhaust system, so we're going to do the after now, since I did the before actually a week ago, and I was supposed to do it the next day, but I've been pretty busy, so we're going to do it today. This will be with a cold start. Hardest decision of the day, chrome or black chrome?
Help me out, Charles.
Woo.
You can't help me? No.
Final product. We went with the chrome wheels, and it looks fantastic. Turned out really well. Back over here with Mike at Corvette World, getting some more stuff done. He's looking for another new car. Z06. So I got mine, but still can't get over how big these freaking tips are.
I think those are 4.5.
4.5? They're huge. Dude, I love that. It's just crazy. Now, did they move at all? You didn't have these installed though, did you? They were already installed? Okay. Because he did tell me that mine might move some.